Reading about the adventurous weather that we have out there. We're going to throw it over to Kristen Diaz with a check. Good morning, Kristen.
Hey, Jane. Good morning. Congratulations, Clarissa. Hey, we're taking a look at the radar here in South Texas, and it's going to be in deep South Texas, mainly Brownsville's problem this morning with seeing some of this wintry precipitation. We have seen some sleet overnight and some freezing rain mixed with just regular light rainfall falling for our southern counties and our coastal counties overnight. As you can see now, most of this activity continuing to move out towards the east. However, we have some more activity moving in from the west, and this is crossing over 59. If you live in Freer, especially west or southwest of Freer, and you travel on 59 normally for your morning commute, you want to be careful, add extra time. There has been some freezing rain, some sleet, and even a few flurries crossing over 59. You can see it's barely moving over the freeway now. It's headed towards San Pablo and will probably be on its way to Benavides within the next couple of minutes or so. So keep a close watch on that out on the roads. That could make it a little dangerous for those of you who are in the far western portion of the viewing area. The rest of us, Alice, Corpus Christi, Kingsville, overnight we were under a winter weather advisory. That has been canceled. So the opportunity for light freezing rain flurries is at a minimum right now for our forecast this morning. The freeze warning has also been canceled for the coastal bend. Now, as we take a look at the feel-like temperatures, the wind chill outside, it does feel like it's freezing, even though we're not our actual temperatures are not at freezing. It feels like it's 26 degrees in Beeville right now, 28 in Rockport, and also in Port Aransas and at the Naval Air Station. So it's definitely that scarves, gloves, mittens, earmuffs type of weather. You want to make sure you bundle up. Those temperatures are going to be very frigid. Wind chill advisory is still in effect for Hebronville and Falfurrias. So you definitely want to make sure you're bundling up there because the wind chill will remain in the 20s and lower 30s until about midday today. Right now it's 38 degrees in Corpus Christi with overcast skies, but we will start to gradually see some of the heavy cloud cover clear out, seeing partly cloudy skies by this afternoon. Temperatures have been in the mid-30s this morning inland to the coast. And here's a look at the winds. The winds are definitely going to keep us cold today. Those winds out of the north around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Let's take a look at the futurecast. This is what we can expect as the day progresses. You can see the cloud cover and that rain all slowly moving away from the coastal bend and into the evening hours. We'll still see the clouds return, but not with any precipitation or without any precipitation. So today's forecast: 50 inland, 48 by the coast. It's still going to be a cool or a chilly day, especially this morning with that wind chill advisory until 11 o'clock for those southern counties. Tonight we drop back into the 30s, so another cold night for us, partly cloudy, but then the sun returns for the last few days of this week, and we warm up to around 77 degrees by Saturday until we see another weak cool front for the beginning of next week. John, Thomas, and Jane?